Hey guys! In today's lesson, we're going to learn pronouns, the verb to be, again, contractions, and negatives. Remember, you can find all of my lessons for free on my website at justateenager.com or in the description box down below. Let's get started. First, let's start by reviewing the verb to be, because we're going to learn the contractions, pronouns, and negatives with this verb as a base. So let's review it again. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. You guys should already have this in your notes because we learned this a long time ago. But if you don't, then pause this video, rewatch it, or just take notes from what you already know. Okay, so now for the pronouns. You guys have already learned your pronouns without realizing it. So when we look at the conjugated verb to be, we have I am, you are, he is, she is, etc. And the pronoun part is actually the I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Not that complicated. As Americans or as English speakers, we talk very fast and we tend to push words together to make them easier to say, shorter, and faster. So this happens with the verb to be. And this isn't something that only happens in English. I know it happens in Spanish and in French. So you guys should already know that this happens, but let me show you an example. So with the verb to be, let's start with the first ones. So the I am becomes I am. We already learned this in our first lesson, but it's good to review. So I am. I am. Sorry, that's my chair. Next we have you are. You're. She is. She's. He is. He's. It is. It's. Now repeat after me. I am, you're talking about yourself. I am, I am. You are, you're talking about somebody else. You are, you're. She is, you're talking about a girl. She's. He is, you're talking about a guy. He is, he's. It is, you're talking about a place, an object, a thing. So I could say, it is rainy. It is hot. It is over there. So the object is over there. So it is, it's. Good job. And next we have we are, we're, you are, you're, they are, there. Repeat after me. We are, so we are, we're. You are, so you guys, you, you're. They are, those people, those things, they are, they're. Great job. So far we've only been talking in positive. But when we want to be negative and we want to say no to something, the only thing you have to do is add the word not after the verb. Let's use the verb to be as an example. And usually when we do this, we use the contracted form, so the shorter form. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You're not. She is not. She's not. He is not. He's not. It is not. It's not. We are not. We're not. You are not. You're not. They are not. They're not. Not that complicated. Now I'm going to repeat them and I want you to repeat them after me. I am not. I'm not happy. You're not. You're not going. She's not. She's not invited. He's not tired. It's not. It's not happening. We're not. We're not going. You're not. You're not flying. They're not. They're not smart. So I thought of some sentences about myself using what we learned today. I am a girl. I am not a boy. I am American. I am not French. I'm young. I'm not old. Now I want you guys to comment down below some sentences about yourself using what we learned today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!